Love you, love you, love you, Lord, today. Because you care for me in such a special way. That's why I praise you and I lift you up. I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise. Oh, that's why my heart is filled with praise. I love you, Jesus. I worship and adore you. Just wanna tell you, Lord, I love you more than anything, more than the air I breathe, more than the song I sing. Lord, I love you more than anything. Yeah, yeah. Love you more than anything. Yeah. I worship you, oh Lord. I worship you, oh Lord. You are worthy to be praised and adored. I magnify your name. You are Alpha and Omega. Everything begins with you. You are worthy to be praised and adored. We magnify your name. Oh Lord, oh Lord, how excellent, oh, is your name in all the earth. You loved us, provide for us, give us things we don't deserve. How I worship you and praise your name, 'cause you, Lord, oh Lord, I love you, I love you, I love you, Lord, today, because you care for me in such a special way. That's why I praise you, I lift you up, and I magnify your name. That's why my heart is filled with praise.